What time was that?
Oh, I didn't check my phone, but this was pitch black. This was dark.
Yeah,
dark.
because me too. It was pitch black, and I felt like this weird, like kind of like a.
So you're gonna blame the ghost for the sound?
No,
too?
the sound was 100% you.
Yeah.
But
But I there was sounds for me as well. Like when I was, but the thing is,
yeah, it
I'm
was
used
me
to.
saying, "Fuck it,"
No, I'm used to sleeping with sounds though.
Because you make them.
because you
No,
because
because
he also said, "Oh, bro, you know what it is, bro." When this is what the other thing, but he didn't say it today. He goes, "You know what it is." He goes,
Oh,
"I know
yeah.
what it is, bro." He goes, "When I'm sleeping, I do that." He goes, "I fucking shuffle and I go crazy."
no. If I'm restless or if I have nightmares, I move around a lot. I think that's the only thing that could have caused the noise. But
But
didn't-
why did this come last out of when I told you you're making noise? You're like, "No, I wasn't," and then after you're like, "Fuck,
You
I
know,
probably
it might
was."
be.
But
it
then
might be.
that-
Sometimes
like-
when I sleep, I have night terrors and I yell.
Could have been the yelling you were hearing.
Might have been the yelling and the hitting stuff. That might be it. That's the only thing that makes sense.
Well, 'cause
is
you
me
did-
yelling.